homemade Korean gochujang sauce? It's easy and delicious. Come learn to make it with my mom and Chef Xiaoda.
Hi, this is Crystal, also known as Daughter Zen.
Hi, this is Xiaoda.
And today we're super excited to show you a very quick recipe for Korean hot sauce, which you might have heard of, gochujang, right? It's very popular across Asia, and it's often bought in the store.
Right.
But if you look at the ingredient list, the first ingredient is corn syrup, then wheat flour, and it also has ethyl alcohol, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, and all of these ingredients that I'm not so sure that I want to be ingesting on a daily basis. So we discovered a recipe online, which we're going to be experimenting with today. We love all the natural ingredients. We found it on Minimalist Baker, and we're going to be trying it out today.
All right.
Let's do it. We're going to have maple syrup, garlic, and these special Korean chili flakes. They're actually not super spicy, and the recipe calls for a lot of them.
Right.
And we couldn't find the chickpea miso. Since we do eat soy products, we're using this barley miso. It's a white miso. It's very light. And then also, tell us about this.
So this is the coconut aminos. So it's made with coconut blossom. So it's really umami. It's a real good substitute if you're not looking for something that's soy-free.
Yeah.
So it's like coconut soy sauce, basically.
Right. So this is a really awesome recipe if you love Korean dishes. That a lot of Korean dishes use gochujang, and you don't eat soy because gochujang is based on soy, based on a miso, which is made from soybeans. So, but today we're going to do a soy-free version. If you can get the chickpea miso, then you can make this without any soy at all. Now we're just going to add our ingredients to the little container because we're going to use an immersion blender, and we're going to cut some of the garlic, throw that in, and I'm going to put in some of these Korean chili flakes, plus for 1/4 cup, and this is the miso, and we need a few tablespoons of water. So we're doing 1/4 cup of the coconut aminos, which have an incredible umami flavor.
And then 1/4 cups of maple syrup.
Now we have made our incredibly thick and fragrant sauce. It smells amazing.
Wow. Yeah.
So we're going to do a little taste test.
It smells really spicy.
We have our special little spoons here. Beautiful little vintage spoon collection. So we're going to compare this. We're going to do a taste test with the commercial one with all of the commercial ingredients. So you can see the difference in the colors. Ours is a lighter red. So, okay, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this one first. Oh, it's very spicy actually.
Yeah, it's very spicy.
And very salty. I mean, the first ingredient though is corn syrup. So that's what gives it that kind of gel. Yeah. Ours has only a few natural ingredients.
Maple syrup.
So, yeah.
Misos.
Oh, ours is so much better. So
It's really,
fragrant.
really good.
很香.
And I like the texture of the chili powder in the mouth. It's kind of like a sparkling of the spiciness. It's not just a smooth paste and more depth of flavor.
Yeah, it's
more
less
layers of flavors.
much more layers, less sweet and less salty, and a lot more depth. And it's extremely garlicky. So if you try this recipe,
if you like garlic, put more garlic in there. If you're not a huge fan of garlic, put less garlic.
We
put 4 cloves of garlic.
Yeah, and one of them was huge.
Right. Let's only put 5 cloves of garlic in there. Basically.
So basically, you saw how simple this recipe was. Thank you to the Minimalist Baker.
Amazing recipe.
And this can go with, you can make bibimbap, you can make a tofu soup,
Yep.
the traditional Korean tofu soup.
Any kind of dipping sauce, with
It goes great
soybean
with
paste.
eggs.
Eggs too.
Yeah.
Right.
So try it out, homemade gochujang, and
Amazing.
we're going to be
Seriously.
having this on everything for the next month. We have
Right.
enough
For the whole month.
for the whole month. See you next
So
time.
good.
Did you make this sauce? Tell us what you thought. What do you want to learn next? Thank you for watching.